What is going on? Today we're talking about why all buyers should go to every open house in the area that they're looking for. So right now, let's just say your max budget is $300,000, okay? And there's a community of homes that you like the community. There's a bunch of homes for sale. You're like, yeah, but you might not even know about them, or some might be out of your price budget. It doesn't matter. Go look at them, unless they're drastically higher than your price. Because here's what you don't realize. A lot of these homes are doing price reductions. So let's learn about search criteria. Search criteria, especially if you go on Zillow, will give you an automatic estimate of 300 to 350,000, 350,000 to 400,000. So if your max is like 350 to 4 and there's a house price at 405 or 410, you're not even seeing that home. So when you're searching, that's an invisible home. But if that home is doing an open house, go look at it. Who cares? Because you never know if there's going to be a price reduction or if that agent's going to tell you something when you walk in. I literally just saw a price reduction for $100,000. And I'm like, holy cow. And people are like, why? I'm going to tell you this. So many times agents are promising sellers these astronomical numbers to get them to sign on the dotted line. It happens all the time. It's like I said, I hate it. I think it's unethical, but it happens. And what starts realizing in these sellers' brains is, wow, maybe I was wrong. Maybe I should never have priced it this high. Maybe I shouldn't have hired this agent. Well, I have to sell. Do a price reduction. Now, sometimes you'll see mini price reductions, which do nothing, and I'll do a separate video on that. And then sometimes you start seeing these drastic price reductions. And what happens is it brings it into a new search criteria where all buyers are seeing it for the first time. But if you're a buyer and you're going around these areas and you're seeing these open houses, you might have the agent say to you, hey, yeah, this house, we're doing a price reduction this week. Oh, you are? Great. Well, it's gonna be easy for me to afford. Why don't I put an offer in right now then? So it's a catch-22. First off, you're looking at homes you didn't even know were on the market, right? And you might go, oh, wow, I didn't know you're doing a price reduction on this house. Great. Or two, maybe you fall in love with the house and you go, all right, it might have been $5,000 out of my price reduction, but maybe I should go look at it. This is what is important, or why it's important to do open houses as an agent for longer, because it can bring more buyers to you that weren't going to look at that house in the first place. I'll give you examples. Anyone that's looking at new construction, let's say I have a meeting to go look at new construction with my buyers. We might go to a new construction development, but since we're there, we might go, hey, let's look at some of these other homes that are for sale. Doesn't hurt, because this home might be 4 or 5 months built, but these homes aren't. Oh, they're doing an open house? Great, let's just go there, right? Or if I'm driving to that neighborhood, a lot of times we might go, let's just look at this community, right? It's already doing an open house. Open houses are so important for both seller and buyers. You just got to use it to your advantage. Again, I'll do a separate video again for sellers, but for buyers, start going to open houses. Start walking in and seeing homes you might not have ever discovered when you were searching, because again, they might be 4 or 5 or I've seen a house priced at 401. I'm like, what are you doing? If you're going to price it at 401, you might as well price it at 410, offer some incentives than doing it at 401 and losing everybody that maxed at 400. This is why it's important to hire a marketing firm. So that's why it's super important for buyers to start going to open houses. I hope you guys love these videos. I keep getting emails of different questions and different videos that I can talk about and teach and everything. And I love doing it. So there's going to be a lot more coming out this week. So comment below. Let me know what you want to hear. Let me know what you love about these videos, what you want to know about these videos, or just comment your opinion on these videos. I don't care. Happy whatever day you're watching this, and talk to you guys soon.